Here to show us a picture and talk about snow, of all things.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So it's that time of the year. The snow level is going to be dropping as we head through tomorrow, and the tops of the Cascades, you get high enough and you're going to find some snow. So the ski resorts, at least the tops of them anyway, will likely get a little bit of snow. Here's a view from Timberline, so we'll have to take a look at this tomorrow afternoon, because I think it's going to be quite a different picture tomorrow, but gorgeous either way. It's really nice seeing the clouds there, and there have been quite a bit of rain across much of the Cascades for a lot of the afternoon. In fact, this band kind of set up where it pushed right through the southern Willamette Valley and then into the foothills and into the Cascades, and that's where a lot of the activity has been today. We'll continue to see these showers develop, though, and we will see more wet weather move into the Portland metro area, thankfully not during the commute, so that certainly helps things out in that regard, trying to get home from work. And then, of course, you have some showers trying to bring in a little bit of lightning, a couple of thunderstorms here just off the coast. That's where the main portion of the front is. That's going to slide to the east. As it does, it's going to bring in more rain, more wind, and wind in a big way for us here in the metro and for much of the Willamette Valley. And of course, that front's going to bring in the cool air to try to get in a little bit of snow at the tops of the mountains. Out there right now looking pretty gray, but staying dry, 61 degrees right now. Winds coming in from the east at 5 miles an hour, so downtown dry for now. As we head through 7 p.m., still the potential we may get a little bit of spotty light rain here and there. And then as we get closer to 11 p.m. tonight, that's when we're going to see our shower chances start to creep back up on us again, and we'll keep that going through tomorrow. Tomorrow does look wetter than what we had to deal with today. Taking a look at the radar, and you can see, again, it stays fairly quiet across much of the valley. You get towards Sweet Home, into the Cascades, and out toward Mount Hood, and even up near Hood River. It's been a little wetter. Coastal areas starting to pick up a little more rain, too, as we continue to have this front move through. A closer look at Portland, and you can see showers trying to push into St. Helens, and some of that gets a little heavy at times. And then out towards Tillamook, down toward Pacific City there, you can see some of those showers rolling up the coast from the north. And then, of course, there's more back to the west. So we'll continue to see that happen as we get through the rest of the evening. So 11 p.m. tonight, you can see cloudy skies, showers still ongoing across the Cascades. Tonight, the snow level will still be fairly high, right around 6,500 feet, trying to drop to about 6,000 feet by tomorrow morning. It's going to take a little while for the cool air to arrive. So tonight, mainly just dealing with the rain, but as we go into tomorrow, we'll start to see it drop, and that's when we can start to see some of the peaks get in on some of the snow. Tomorrow morning, here in the metro area, the valley, we wake up to a lot of wind, and we're going to be waking up to some showers. So commute could really take an extra long time tomorrow morning, so allow for some extra time for that. Along the coast, it'll be wet too, 8:30 a.m., and you can see showers continue to develop. Central and eastern Oregon, we'll see some spotty shower activity too, 1:30 p.m., and you can see it does stay wet. So wet at times tomorrow, and then as we head towards Thursday, a few lingering showers early, and then Thursday will be the dry day of the work week as more rain starts to push back in Friday. One thing to keep in mind, not just the rain, but the wind. The winds are really going to crank up overnight tonight, and we have wind advisories in effect from Battleground through Vancouver, Portland, down to Salem and near Eugene, and that goes from 3 a.m. until 1 p.m. tomorrow. So overnight tonight, winds could gust to 40 miles an hour, so there may be some power lines down tomorrow morning, and there also could be some tree limbs down, so keep an eye on that. Upper 50s and 60s out there, much cooler today, and tomorrow temperatures will be very similar. Here's a look at your forecast now for the coast. Low 60s, showers at times, breezy to windy conditions. Same thing for areas along I-5, low 60s with showers, and we'll have breezy to windy conditions. Central to eastern Oregon, highs in the low 60s, and a little breezy there too. South central Oregon, very windy for you, gusts to 45 miles an hour, and then for Hood River, 59, and watching for more showers tomorrow. And the snow level drops through the day, 5,500 feet, so we may get a couple of inches or so up near the ski resorts, but snow does stay above past level, so no issues driving-wise. And then as we look towards the weekend, it's looking nice. So we'll get that break from the rain Thursday. Friday rain moves in. It could only linger into the first part of Saturday. Second half of Saturday looks good. Sunday looks good. And then we're back to the next system by early next week.
No complaints, I guess.
I like it, right?
I think a lot of people do.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kristen.
Thanks, Kristen.